Hola, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. Today, you're going to start with your attendance as usual. You're going to find this video here, and for your actividad inicial, you're going to go to this photo. When you get to the photo, the actividad inicial for today, the warm-up, is you're going to record yourself counting from 0 to 10 in Spanish, of course. What you need to do is you're going to click here where it says reply, and then you're going to click right here and it says upload or record media. Click record, and then it takes you here. You start recording right here. If it shows the video, just click where it says webcam and no video, and that will take the video off. Then once you have your comment, your recording here, you just post reply, and I will receive your activity. Okay, back to the plan. We're gonna work on Spanish.com today. So you're familiar with this activity because we did it in the past. We did pages from 1 to 4. We're gonna do pages from 5 to 10 today. So let's go over those pages. I put the directions here. I had to get there, but I'm just gonna go really quickly over the activity so you know how to do it and what to do. So for page 5, pretty simple. It's asking you to write each number numerically. So you have the word, and then you just need to write the number. And remember, it turns green when it's correct. If it does not turn green, it's not correct. So ask me questions if you don't know how to do it. That's for the page 5. For page 6 is backwards. You have the number. You need to type the word. So we're done with that one. That's very simple too. The next one, page 7. Page 7 has math problems. So what you do is 5 más 3 son. So this means 5 plus 3 is. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8. Type your answer, and it turns green. All these are adding operations. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really good at math, but I think that's how you say it. So adding. And the next one, if I'm not wrong, is subtracting. So I think it's number 8. Sí. 14 menos 7 son. It means 14 minus 7 is 7. You answered those questions. Next one. Next one is a little more difficult, but you can do it. I actually was thinking like, and then I said, yeah, they can do it. It's a sequence. For this sequence, you have this number, 0, then 25, then 50, and then 75. What comes after? What I usually do, I write the sequence in numbers. For example, 0, 25, 50. You will write it in a paper, right? And 75. What comes next? Oh, it's a sequence of 25 plus 25 plus 25. So the next one will be 100. Okay. I think I have my answer. 100. And then you do the same with all of them. It's sequences. And the last one is a sequence too. You just need to figure out what the sequence is about and put your answers there. They will turn green when they are correct. Once you have all your activities, you upload right here, text entry or file upload. You upload your screenshots. Remember, the screenshot needs to have the grade and also needs to have part of the activity, if not the whole activity. If I don't see the activity, then I cannot give you a grade for that. I cannot give you the grade for that. I need to see either the activity or part of the activity with the grade. So I can see what your score was, and I can add the numbers and average. That's all for today. I talk to you later. Adios.